Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm going to create a nice holiday glam look for New Year's Eve using the City Mini palette times Shade Lot, you guys. So this palette is so fab. I am loving the color tones, the bronzy, mixed with a little bit of that magenta pink and a little bit of the burgundy with nude and a little bit of the black for smoky. So I'm going to use this palette, you guys, today to create my look. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I have already prepped my brows for this look. I don't want this video to be super uber long, so I went ahead and did my brows. I added my concealer underneath my eyes and as well as my chin. So now we're going to get in eyeshadow powder. So you guys, I'm going to be using two different brushes. I'm going to use this brush here, you guys, from the Morphe. This brush is, the number for this is Y20. I'm going to use this to kind of blend into pretty much for my transition color, you guys. I'm going to use this one for, this one's going to be for the rest of the makeup that I actually use. And then I'm going to use another small flat-headed brush to do my crease, because we are going to cut the crease in this video to make a more bold look to our eyes. So let's get into it, you guys. Alright, you guys, first I'm going to take my nude and I'm going to go up over the top part of my eye. With this smoky chocolate brown color here, and I'm going to add it into my transition color. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to blend out my concealer that's on my face. Some tape, and I'm just going to angle it the way that I want my eyeshadow to go, because I want my eyeshadow to look a certain way. And then also, if there's any excess, you guys, it'll just brush on to the tape and not onto my actual face. So you guys, I'm just going to angle this tape here, and we're going to get started with our foundation. Right now I do have lash extensions, so I'm just going to gently hold my eye down as my eyeshadow, because I don't really want to, you know, bother with the lashes and have them just kind of like falling and falling. You know, they're supposed to last a long time, and so I don't want them to just, you know, completely be messed up. So we're going to gently work around my eyelashes, and I'm going to do the best that I can. Because I'm not sure of how this is going to work with this. So first here, and we're going to darken this up and kind of make it into a triangle, more of an angled triangle. I'm going to start with this brush here, you guys, and then we're going to go in with our black, just a little dab, you guys, because we don't want to make it that dark. You guys, we're going to go in with our concealer, and we're going to cut our crease before we do the inner part of our eye, because this is like my favorite thing, and since I've been doing this, you guys, I just love the look of my makeup. So I'm going to go in with a smaller, flatter end brush, you guys, and I'm going to go in with my Lancome Creamy number 10 concealer, and we're just going to cut this crease a little. We're going to add it at the first top part of our eye. gonna go in with my nice glitter, and we're going to trace over that crease there and here, because it's gonna allow me to finish my transition, adding in my smoky black to give us a finalized look. All right, you guys. I'm going to use the Morphe Spark, you guys, to go in and highlight that brow, under the brow. Color here just to kind of fill in our fill off. We're going to get into our foundation now. This NYE makeup tutorial look. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go and subscribe today. Click the bell on the side so you are alerted when I do videos. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.